Okay, guys, this is going to be your class for today. We are going to perform a workshop about problem solving using the Pythagorean theorem. This seems like it's really long, but it's not. That is because I have these pictures illustrating these exercises. That is the reason this looks like really long, but it's not. They are only 5 exercises as always. So I'm going to read them all, and after that, you can start solving. Okay? So you're going to find the solutions for the following problems. First, in the following triangle, find the value of the hypotenuse. This is the triangle. Okay? B, the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 10 meters. Based on the figure, what is, no, what does it say here? What are gonna be the value of the opposite and the adjacent, as you can see here. Okay. Calculate the height that we can reach with a 3-meter ladder leaning against the wall if the lower part is located 7 meters from it. At sunset, a tree casts a shadow 2.5 meters long. If the distance from the highest part of the tree to the far end of the shade is 4 meters, what is the age of the tree? As you can see, this is a well-drawn tree, not like my tree. That was horrible. And 5, at a distance of 2 meters from the base of a tower, we see its flag at a distance of 5.39 meters in a straight line. What is the height of the tower if the flag is 1 meter? Okay, that will be all. I wish you good luck because you're going to need it. Thank you very much for your attention and your silence. You're so kind. And good luck because I'm not going to help you. Bye bye.